So, to understand forex correlation, just type in forex correlation. This is my search history. So you click forex correlation, then check the one provided by my FS book, which is this, since I've clicked it before. So in this place, so which time frame do you take your entries? I take mine. So I take my entries on the 1 hour time frame, hence I'm going to put it in the 1 hour time frame. So this place, the PS, the main PS, as let's say GP, we all know how GPJP and GPSD correlate a lot. So let's check correlation between GPJP and GPSD. So GPJPY, let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's on the 6th row. So let's check against GPJPY. So GPJPY against GPJPY, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see it's 100%. At least GPJPY, something always correlates 100% with itself. So let's now check against GPUSD. So against GPUSD, okay, found it. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, the correlation is 75.6%, which is quite high. It's closer to 100. At least if you are buying GPJPY, you should be expecting to buy GPUSD. They are positively correlating. But you see all these ones that have negative numbers, like this 19, 60, and so on. That means they have negative correlation with one another. If you are buying the first one, that means you should be looking to sell the other one. Like let's say, for example, GPJPY and USD card. Now we know they have negative correlation. So let's check against USD card. USD card. Okay, this is it right here. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see it is minus 51.6. So this minus means it's a negative correlation. So if I'm buying and it's above 50, so it's quite strong. So if I'm buying GPUSD, if I'm buying GPY, I should be looking to sell USD card, and vice versa. So that's how we check correlation in forex.